That is a drone. Drone! It's a drone. I have my little brother dancing. Do the whip. This is going on YouTube, so.
I'm a pose.
Where'd it go? Oh, God. Sorry if it's hard to see here. I'll get a better view.
Where'd it go?
Oh. This is a close-up of what it really looks like. This my all the girls look around me like.
Upside down.
Dang it.
Pointed at Miss Jennifer's house. Oh my God, if you would stop being lazy, we would have been done like 10 minutes ago.
Alright, it's pointed. This my all the girls look around me like. This my I make you blind. Where's the shine? I make you blind. Make you blind. When can I try?
After your brother,
What?
you try to take it in one big circle.
He said he haven't left.
You're making a video, you missed out.
Jake,
Okay, go. Colton, you're going to get a chance.
This is my little brother.
Hey, don't rub the engine like that, it's wasting the batteries.
Bro, don't do that.
That's how it's going?
No, I'm just hovering.
Oh, okay.
Make you all blind. 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 Ooh, me fail. Boop, 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 do, 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 do. So try not to judge me challenge. This my all the girls look around me like. Oh, dang it. We lost it. We lost it. Oh, wait, no, never mind. Just swag, unlock, swag. Can I try now? Hey, boy. Someone hold this.
Here, Jake, it's Colton's turn.
Wait until it crashes.
No, land it.
Okay, well, let me land. Daddy, let's see if I can land it.
Okay. Wait, let him try to land it. All right, here, Jake, come make video.
Hey!
Hammer, dude.
Oh, slow down, slow down. Don't crash on anybody's house. Here, come back over here to the cul-de-sac so it doesn't get any trees either. Animal control, please. Bring it over to the cul-de-sac.
Do swag.
Not so fast. You gotta be gentle. You gotta nudge it. That means you gotta find a balance.
Jeez. Go super duper high.
Alright, my turn.
Wait, can I one more?
No, I'm gonna make you go higher from the cul-de-sac.
I can do it.
No, I'm gonna do it.
Please.
No,
I know how to land.
my toy.
Dad, and then can I do it?
Hold on. I'm gonna try to fly it over there. Here, bring it over here to cul-de-sac.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
You put it in the middle. See how?
Hand it to
No,
me.
and
Hope you guys
go put it
enjoy
over here,
and
over there where
see
the
ya.
cracks are.